Brandon was, sharing. You shared that with me, right? The visual and the.
Oh yeah, the video about that.
Yeah. Doing research on.
Visual learning.
I'm a visual learner. No, I'm a feely learner, touchy learner. No, I'm a verbal learner, listening learner, etc. Right? And they basically showed this is not true. It's like you think that, and maybe you feel comfortable in this way, but really you learn with all three kind of deal. It's like when you have all three, then you learn. See? Because they tested it, Say, okay, just visual. Okay, visual sound. Okay, visual sound, little experience like that. Okay, I got it. Yeah.
Yeah, and they even showed in the video that the reason people think that is because a scientist came up with that and just fucking said it. I think this is how people learn, and then it was adopted by.
Yeah, that's New Zealand, right?
And got slipped into. I can't remember.
Some guy in New Zealand, yeah. Yeah, so you got to be careful. See, the guy, I'm sure, is well-meaning, and he had observations, right? See, and he had observations and drew conclusions. See, he drew a conclusion, and a conclusions about his observations, and thought he was right. And so it said, look, you learned this, these learn. Also, if you teach like that. And then schools adopted it. And, everybody, okay, yes, there's different kinds of learning. And it turns out, perhaps, it is not true. And yet, everybody's oriented around these things, see, because they stopped at the first conclusion. And didn't do further research either. That would have been useful. Because it just made sense to people, right? See? Because if it makes sense to people, like, yes, I have my preferred way of learning.
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.